Every time there is a war, a pandemic, and global tension, most business slow down, decision get delayed, budget shrinking, but at the same time, some creators grow faster than ever. Not because they are lucky, and not because they are exploiting fear, but because they understand one thing that most people ignore: the market shift. The entertainment to certainty. In stable time, most people consume content for distraction, but in unstable time, people consume content for the direction. The intent change. Instead of asking what interesting, they ask what should I do, and that's a completely different psychology. When market feel uncertain, people look for stability, clarity, risk reduction, predictable outcome. And if your content doesn't match the mental state, engagement drops. Even if your quality hasn't changed, because the people emotional was completely changed. The psychology, why attention matters. There are three psychology code that activate during crisis. First, survival. People only think about the money, the security, and long term stability. Second, control. When people feel unpredictable, they follow that voice that can help into their calm and structure. Third, meaning. They want to understand what's happening. They want interpretation, not noise. And this is why creators grow, because they provide clarity. Why most creators lose momentum? Most creators keep posting same type of content before the crisis start, or worse, they react emotionally. They jump into debates, they chase trend drama, they post reactive opinion. Crisis reward calm strategy, not emotional drama. If your positioning is built on hype, unstable market that reveals, because hype depends on optimism, and optimism disappear first. What smart creators do differently? Smart creators don't change their niche, they just adjust message they want to deliver. If you are in finance, you shift from growth to protection. If you are in fitness, you shift from aesthetic to stress management. If you are in content marketing, you shift from go viral to build predictable revenue. You don't exploit fear, you solve problem. During crisis, people pay more for stability, structure, system, and that's the where opportunity is. The agency lesson: structure get tested. If your revenue every month drop because of unstable market, that's not because of bad luck. Weak agency are built on one-off project, random clients, short-term excitement, and strong agencies are built on clear outcome, specific niche, long-term contract, retention system. Crisis doesn't create weakness, it reveals it. Strategic playbook: how to actually win during the crisis. If you want to grow in unpredictable time, you don't need more content, you need better positioning, because crisis change buying behavior, and if you don't adjust that time, you lose momentum. And there are three strategic adjustments you need to make. First, shift growth messaging to stability messaging. In a strong market, people buy growth. In an unstable market, people buy protection, and that's the first shift. If your content is still screaming go viral, more money, go fast, your speaking mindset that no longer exists. Instead, your message move toward predictability, retention, risk reduction, cash flow stability. During uncertainty, people don't want aggressive expansion, they want control, and control is easier to sell than growth. Turn your content into utility, not commentary. Many creators make the mistake of commenting on the crisis. Smart creator translate it. Don't talk about what's happening, tell them about what to do now. If you are in freelancing or marketing agency, break down how agency should adjust pricing, break down how to increase client retention, break down what metrics matter now. Third, protect retention before chasing any new clients. This is where most agencies fail. They're trying to just acquire more and more clients, because in unstable market, acquisition becomes slow and retention becomes everything. Ask yourself, if one client leave, how exposed am I? The smartest move in uncertainty is strengthen the present client communication, like clear communication, proactive reporting, strategic check instant. Because when client don't understand, they cut vendor that they don't understand. Fourth, make your offer essential, not optional, because during crisis, optional offer get cut first. If your offers feel like extra content, you are in unstable. If your offer feel like revenue protection, you are essential. Reposition your service from task based to outcome based. Not we edit videos, but we help you maintain consistent lead flow even when markets slow down. That shift alone changes survival profitability. Crisis doesn't reward hype, it's reward structure. And the creators who win are not louder, they win clearer. So the real question is, if tomorrow market increase uncertainty, does your business become more valuable or more fragile?